Avalanche AVAX is looking so bullish right now. We're going to be talking about market structure. We're going to be looking at price predictions here, and we're going to be looking at potential market cap targets from previous bull runs to now and see how much money we could get if we buy AVAX now, or we're currently still holding AVAX from these really, really low lows, right? So let's start off with the market structure for AVAX, and let's see how we've done and what sort of areas we can be looking for keeping up this bullish momentum, right? So currently we're priced around $26.45. Obviously very, very bullish right now. We've just broken this higher high at 24.7 in the last sort of 2 days or so. Well, the last day actually, we have broken that high, which is obviously very bullish indeed, and that does in fact confirm the higher low market structure at around $18.95. So this basically means guys, we're bullish in this area, okay? This whole area right here, it's still bullish, okay? So we can basically dump all the way down to 19 bucks, have retracements worth around 27% if we need to, and we're still going to be in a bullish market structure. It's still going to look really, really good towards the upside. I'd start to get worried when we break $18.95 to the lower side if we don't find support there, but I don't think we're going to be getting there. It's looking really, really bullish, and the reasoning for this is, guys, as you can see, these volume-weighted ATR bands, okay? The volume-weighted ATR bands here, they're very, very good for plotting resistance and support. And you can see when we get above this daily one here, we actually find heavy level of support above it. Really, really strong. And the fact that we've just broken the 4-hour and the 60-minute is even more bullish for this coin, okay? It's even more bullish for this coin. And the fact that we just broke the high, it's just ridiculous, okay? In terms of a pullback, guys, for this coin, because obviously we can't just keep going up. It's kind of unfeasible. The areas that, because obviously you can't just climb a mountain and not stop for food or water, right? And when I say that, I mean you need to consolidate, you need to pull back, you need to rest a bit, and then take another leg up, right? It's a healthy market structure. So if we are looking at points for pullbacks, for areas, potential take profits, potential resistance for you guys to be looking out for there, it's going to be this deep, dark, dirty red box here, okay? And the reasoning for this is, guys, you can see the resistance that we did have from this previous lower high, and it was pretty strong, okay? It was pretty strong. So let's talk about this area in terms of a price point that we could be aiming for here on the daily, okay? We're nearly there, okay? We're nearly there, and that's probably sat around $27 all the way up to around $30. So if you are looking to sell your AVAX and take a bit of profit, this would be the zone. Of course, not financial advice, do your own research, all that good stuff, but this is the zone that I would be looking for here for a nice big pullback, probably down to the higher low. And this is obviously timing it with Bitcoin as well, guys. If Bitcoin is going to be dumping, if it's going to be pulling back, because obviously Bitcoin's going parabolic right now, it needs to pull back. Market structure needs to be formed. When this happens, altcoins take a hit as well. So if AVAX is going to be taking a hit, this is where it's going to take that hit, okay? So in terms of how much room do we have left in the tank for AVAX before we take a hit? Maybe around 16% to the upside. So yeah, still looking pretty good. I mean, we could pull back here, but the likelihood of us dumping all the way down to the higher low, I don't think that's going to happen. And the reasoning for this is, guys, is because of these volume-weighted ATR bands. We've cleared these bad boys. When we clear them, we usually ride on top of them for a while, okay? So we've just cleared them with a lot of momentum. So the likelihood of us riding up like that is probably quite high, okay? So that's what I would say about AVAX for now. And let's talk about the market cap, okay? Market cap for AVAX right now is currently at around $9 billion, okay? It's currently around $9 billion, and it's currently priced at $26, as we said before. The previous all-time high for AVAX on CMC here is $134. Very, 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 very high, okay? So let's see if let's do a percentage and let's do see how much money we can make if we were to buy AVAX now and it was to get to that all-time high that it did from before. Because obviously it will break that high again, guys, in the next bull run that we see around the halving. And what is that number? 134, did we say? Yeah, 134.87. So let's draw that in. 134.87. See how close we can get it. That'll do. So around 400% there. I mean, we've got another high. I mean, the all-time high on CoinMarketCap is different to Bybit Exchange. So let's just leave it there for now. So it's around a 400%, guys. That is going to be a 4x to where it is now. Okay, so you're going to be looking at a 4x on your investment. Pretty crazy stuff here. But let's think about this. Let's talk about this, because the last time that we did see a bull run come into play here, you can see we obviously saw a massive move to the upside worth around 180%. So we're going to be taking this and doing something along the lines of this for a new all-time high. It does line up with Fibonacci retracements. It's looking pretty good there. And also we are looking for the key reversal point for this altcoin is going to be around $78. Once we clear $78, the sky is the goddamn limit, okay? And if we are looking for percentages, if we're looking at how much we can actually make on this coin when we do see us come to this all-time high again for AVAX, it's gonna be around $230. It's going to be around a 770% from where we are now. So even now, guys, it's still a good buy, I would say. It's still a good buy for AVAX. A lot of room in the tank. We know how these alts are asleep right now. They're starting to wake up a little bit. We're starting to see alt season sort of begin, and when this really does kick off, we're going to see all-time highs get broken, and we're going to see a lot of money actually be made here. In terms of where we are on the coin market cap ranking for AVAX, we're actually 10th, okay? We're 10th right now. And we know the utility for this coin is really, really good. I mean, it's below Doge, right? So we've definitely got room in the tank for a lot of movement to the upside, okay? Especially when we do see this bull run come into play. So yeah, that's going to be it from me in terms of the AVAX update, guys. But just to reiterate, just to remember that the area of resistance that we all need to be looking out for here right now, because we're not in alt season just yet. We're starting off, but the areas of resistance that we need to be looking out for there, we need to basically be buying this up as it dumps, okay? We see pullbacks, we buy more. We see pullbacks, we buy more. When it hits a point of resistance, we sell. We sell the top and we buy the pullbacks in a run. It's so simple to make money here, okay? So again, to reiterate, this area here, very, very, very crucial, okay? And if you guys are looking for a crypto course or anything, make sure you jump over to New Money Network. We've got a Christmas sale, 90% off. You get a course, you get a coaching course, you get mindset rewiring, all of my premium indicators as well. And this is 90% off for $449. And you get this for life, guys. And you also get 15 other courses included in that as well. So that's like e-commerce, copywriting, all different ways to create wealth online, okay? So make sure you jump over to the website and check that out. Really, really, really cheap deal. And just we're giving that back to you guys just because you've been supporting the channel for so long, okay? But yeah, that's gonna be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. But for now, it's gonna be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.